Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making a valid manifest. JSON and bundling your assets. This lets Chrome read your extension metadata. Once done, open Chrome, //extensions and enable developer mode because that allows you to load unpacked builds for rapid iteration. Make sure icons, pop-up HTML, and a background service worker are present. Missing fields cause immediate failures. Load the folder and exercise core flows. By testing locally, you isolate runtime issues before packaging and save review time later. You now produce a production bundle. Run your build tool so only /dist is needed. This reduces size and surfaces bundling errors. Make sure permissions are minimal and adjust content security policy so inline scripts are removed. Chrome enforces strict CSB for security. Once done, run automated tests and manual flows, including offline or slow network scenarios, because reviewers check reliability. Iterate until the console shows no runtime errors and manifest version increments match your release plan. You finish by zipping the distribution with manifest. JSON at the root since the store expects that layout. Upload the ZIP to the Chrome Web Store developer dashboard, complete the listing fields, and attach screenshots and a privacy policy because omission delays review. Choose a staged rollout if desired and publish. If the store flags an issue, increment the manifest version and republish. That forces an update. Troubleshooting tip: when updates don't appear, bump version, rootload, and check console errors in the published extension details.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.